What is happening, guys? Today I have brought you another episode of a quick video. Now today I want us to fix a problem that most of us have been encountering with things to do with module definition. I'm looking at the error now on my screen here, that module def whatever the name of the app, then you are given an integrity error there, and then you are told that it has a duplicate. Now this is a very common error when you try to install an app, for instance, and it fails for some reason, and then you want to, maybe after fixing that problem, you want to go ahead and install it again. Now if you try to uninstall it and even remove it from installed apps, that thing doesn't just work, and today I want to show you how to fix that. Let's jump right in and start today's build. Let me show you the error that I am talking about here. I will enlarge this a little bit so that you can see it clearly, and then we can read that section of the tab for now. And then I have here an imaginary app that I am calling next dispo, and that local site there. So I want to install this app there, and you can see here, shows an error telling me that there is an integrity error, of course, because there is a duplicate. Now let's go ahead and start and try to uninstall this module from there, and this module is not installed there. How about if we try to maybe kind of remove it from installed bench site that remove from installed apps, and then the name of our app. We go ahead and looks like they didn't do anything. If we try and maybe it did something, and let's try and go ahead and install it again. So ideally we tried to told us that it's not installed on that app. We tried to remove it from installed apps. Seems like didn't remove. Even now when we try to run this, we are still running into issues here. So let me show you where this problem is. We are going to do you asked to check the database, so we are going to say site, and we are going to provide the name of our site here. It's next something like that, bench site that not an install, sorry, but I want to go into MariaDB, and then I am inside, you can see that, and then I'm just going to say here describe. I'm going to describe our tab. What tab do we want to describe? There is a table here called def. So this is the table that we are very much interested in. Now you must be very careful when you are dealing with because all the modules are normally defined here. So be very careful, and you must know exactly what you are doing. Here in this table, there is one column name we have that is called module definition, or rather module name, of course, which contains the module definition, modules that we have in our application here. So just to emphasize, because I told you that all the modules, if we do a select name from, and then we provide the name of our table here, which is modules, that here we have a lot of modules. Do you see this? And these go and go. You can notice that even some of these are those that are done by erpnext. So you must be very careful. If you are coming here, just be very sure of what you are doing. And you can see here we have our next dispo module. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to delete the next dispo from the data. Delete, and what is the syntax for deleting using SQL? It's just delete from, and then here we provide of our table, which is tab module def, and then it's very, you provide a where here, because of course you know this is a sensitive piece of table, so you don't want to mess up some stuff here. So you can do delete from module def where name equals this. And even before I do that, first of all, if I select all from this table, tab module def, no, I didn't want to do that. I need to add a where condition here, where name equals next dispo, something like that. You see we have this name here. Now we have a name which is next dispo. is that we also have here a module definition. Let me reduce this a little bit. We have a module definition. We have a module definition which is also next dispo. So this is what is conflicting. So now I can go out with just pressing Q and now do delete from, and then I'm going to provide the name of my table here, which is tab module def, and then I'm going to say where name equals, and I will pass next dispo there, and I didn't provide that. So when I do that, now you can see the query is correct. Let's go ahead and exit. Now we try to do that insert next dispo one more time, and you notice that next dispo is ring. So that is what you needed to do. Go to the database, delete it manually, but make sure you know exactly what you are doing. Good to go. Success, we have installed our app. Thank you so much for watching. And if this video helped you, because I know many people have struggling with this issue, making sure, even going to the extent of reinstalling all your apps and losing a lot of information nowadays. If you like it, if this saved your time and saved you from your issues, make sure you smash the thumbs up button, and also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, and I am happy that you have been here all this long, and I'll see you in my next video.